Everyone thinks the best-selling blank CDs are automatically the best ones. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1: Verbatim CDR50 Pack. Let's kick things off with the Verbatim CDR blank discs, a 50 pack that's priced at $13.50. What caught my eye here is the impressive 4.6-star rating from over 26,000 reviews. If you want reliable storage for your music or data, this is worth a serious look. The performance recording die lets you burn a full disc in less than 2 minutes using a 52x CD drive. Here's why this matters for you specifically. No one wants to wait around for long when you can quickly get your favorite tracks burned and ready to go. Plus, the reusable spindle makes storage easy and dust-free. Now, some users mentioned that they sometimes had issues with the burning process, saying some CDs wouldn't finalize properly. Here's the thing though, this could be due to various factors like the CD drive you're using or even the computer's settings. For most people, this shouldn't be a deal breaker, especially considering the overall reliability of Verbatim. This is perfect for you if you're looking to store large amounts of data or music efficiently. Skip this one if you need something for high-end audio recording, as it's best for general use. For the price, you're getting solid value here. Now, if the capacity of the Verbatim 50 pack is a bit much for your needs, the next one takes a different approach. Product number 2: Verbatim CDR 10 pack. Next up is the Verbatim CDR blank discs, but this time it's a 10 pack for $8.99. It has the same impressive rating of 4.6 stars, and over 1,800 reviews show that it's still a favorite among users. If you want something more compact, this is definitely worth considering. Just like its bigger brother, these discs can hold 700 MB or 80 minutes of audio. You'll still benefit from the 52x drive speed, allowing you to burn a disc in under 2 minutes. This is great for quick projects or when you need to make a last-minute mix CD. Some users pointed out that while the discs are great for everyday use, they might not be as reliable for long-term archival storage. Here's the thing, if you're just looking to create mixes or temporary storage, this shouldn't be an issue. But if you want to keep your data safe for years, consider the 50 pack option instead. This is perfect for you if you want a smaller batch for casual use. Skip this if you need a larger quantity for extensive projects. For the price, it's a solid choice for music lovers who don't need a bulk supply. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want high-fidelity playback. Product number 3: Maxell Premium Quality CDs. Now let's talk about the Maxell 648,200 Premium Quality CDs. Coming in at $22.99 for a pack of 100, this one has a fantastic rating of 4.7 stars based on over 2,400 reviews. If you're serious about sound quality, this is definitely worth a look. They also allow for recording speeds from 2x to 48x, meaning you can burn large volumes of data quickly. Storing 700 MB per disc gives you plenty of space for all your favorite music without compromising on quality. However, some users have reported that while the playback quality is excellent, they noticed inconsistencies with some players. Here's the deal, this might happen with older CD players that aren't compatible with newer technology. For most modern setups, this shouldn't be a deal breaker and you can expect great performance. This is perfect for you if you're an audiophile looking for clear, crisp music recordings. Skip this one if you're using older equipment. At this price, you're getting a great deal for high-quality discs. Now, if you want something with a unique twist, check out the next product. Product number 4: Verbatim Digital Vinyl CDs. Up next is the Verbatim CDR blank discs with a digital vinyl design. Priced at $19.95 for 50 discs, it has a solid 4.6-star rating from over 4,400 reviews. If you want your CDs to look as good as they sound, this is definitely worth checking out. These discs are designed not just for performance, but also for aesthetics, mimicking a classic vinyl look. You still get that 700 MB capacity and the blazing 52x burning speed, letting you store your music in style. Plus, they have a 100-year archival life, which means your music is safe for the long haul. This is perfect for artists who want to distribute their work with a unique appearance. Some users have mentioned that the vinyl design can make the discs a bit more sensitive to scratches. Here's the thing, if you're careful with your CDs, especially during transport, this shouldn't be a major issue. For those who appreciate design as much as quality, it's a perfect match. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish option for your music projects. Skip this if you need something ultra-durable for heavy use. For the price, you get a unique product that stands out. Lastly, if you're looking specifically for audio-focused discs, the final option has you covered. Product number 5. Verbatim Music CDR. Finally, we have the Verbatim Music CDR. This pack of 25 discs costs $11.99 and has an impressive rating of 4.7 stars from over 600 reviews. If you need blank specifically for music recording, this is definitely worth considering. These discs are designed to work seamlessly with audio recorders that bear the compact disc digital audio recordable logo. With 80 minutes of recording time and a 700 MB capacity, they provide exactly what you need for music without any fuss. One downside is that some users reported that the discs may not finalize on certain recorders. Here's the thing though, if you're using compatible devices, you'll likely have no issues at all. For anyone focused on music recording, this is a great option. This is perfect for you if you're passionate about creating music. Skip this if you need a more versatile disc for data and media storage. For the price, it's a solid investment for musicians. So there you have it. From the versatile Verbatim 50 pack to the stylish digital vinyl option and the audio-specific Verbatim Music CDR, each one has its strengths. It's really about what fits your needs best. Happy burning!